Keywords and phrases.
Protect.
To keep safe. Sunscreen protects your skin from the sun.
Thoughts.
Ideas or feelings in your mind. I write my thoughts in my diary. In case. If something happens, take a jacket in case it's cold. Loved ones. Family and close friends you care about. I miss my loved ones when I travel.
Fresh.
Clean, new, or cool. I drink fresh juice every day. Hi, I'm Rachel, and this is my bag. I carry it everywhere I go. Let me show you what's inside. First, I have my cell phone. I use it to call my friends, send messages, and take photos. I also have some makeup, a lipstick, sunscreen, and mascara. I like to look fresh, and sunscreen protects my skin. I always keep my AirPods with me. I listen to music and podcasts when I walk or take the bus. This is my fountain pen and my journal. I like to write down my thoughts and plans. I have some tissues in case I need to clean something or if I sneeze. Sometimes I get a headache, so I keep painkillers in my bag. Here's my mini calendar. It helps me remember important dates. This is my purse. Inside, I have photos of my loved ones, cash, coins, and my credit card. Here's my keychain and my key. I need them to get into my apartment. And finally, I have some chewing gum. It keeps my breath fresh. That's everything in my bag. What's in yours? Now it's your turn. You will be me. Say my lines and practice speaking.